Launch your YouTube channel with AI. Want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face or voice? In 2025, AI tools have your back. AI can handle everything from writing scripts to editing clips. Let's dive into how you can launch a channel step by step. Step 1. Choose a niche with ChatGPT. Use prompts like, list faceless YouTube niches with high CPM. Ask for video ideas and target keywords. Picture AI tools sharing great niches like AI tools and finance. Step 2. Script writing with ChatGPT. Input your topic and let AI generate the full script. Add hooks and story flow, all instantly. Use short-form and long-form templates for flexibility. Step 3. Video creation with Steve.AI or Pictory. Paste your script to generate full videos. Choose animated or text-based styles. Add voiceovers using tools like ElevenLabs or Lovo. Step 4. Thumbnail design with Canva plus AI tools. Use Magic Design or DALL-E for backgrounds. Add bold titles and neon elements to attract clicks. Save templates for consistency. Step 5. SEO optimization with TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Generate titles, tags, and descriptions. Track performance and optimize thumbnails easily. Schedule posts right from your dashboard. With these 5 steps, you can launch and grow a YouTube channel. No cameras needed. I just removed all your excuses. You don't need gear, editing skills, or even to speak. You only need an idea and the right tools. Subscribe to ThinkSync for weekly tutorials.